What's the meaning of confetti? Confetti. Confetti.
Confetti. Confetti. Confetti is small pieces of brightly colored paper or plastic that are thrown during celebrations, such as weddings or parades, to create a festive atmosphere. When confetti is thrown into the air, it falls in a random pattern and covers the surrounding area in a colorful blanket. The result is a visually stunning display that adds excitement and joy to any event. Confetti can also be used as a decorative element in art projects or as a fun way to add a pop of color to photographs or videos.